Daddy?
What are you doing, Jeffy?
I'm Captain Bubble Wrap. I feel no pain.
Ow, ow, Jeffy, don't hit me with that sword.
Fight back, Daddy.
Stop poking me.
No, fight back.
I don't have a sword.
Here, Marvin, use this!
Oh, okay.
See, I don't feel that, Daddy.
Stop hitting me. Stop hitting me.
Marvin, look, the news!
Shrek's making another movie?
But it doesn't come out for another 2 years.
Huh. There's someone at the door. I'll get it.
I'm gonna go jump off the balcony.
No, Jeffy, don't do that.
Well, don't worry, Mommy. The bubble wrap will protect me. Hopefully we don't end up on Good Morning America again.